ginagawa ni Adrian?
Sir Benoit, ikaw itong sarap namin. Ikaw ba itong sa primary sa Sunrise?
Passenger.
Realize na kay Sir Benoit.
Sino nag-drive ng Bravado?
Si Diggy. Nagpakilala daw siya. Sabi ni Venti, kasama ko si Venti right now.
May nabol pa kayo, Sunrise?
Tama.
Nine.
Check the blip of Sir Benoit.
Bed base officer daw.
Jet trip on Sunrise?
BCB.
Hello, Gisumi. What's up? Ano na, lapit na birthday mo ah. Plano? What's the plan with your birthday? Happy birthday. Yes, sir. Kasi di ko alam, ginagawa ni Adriana eh. Naghahabol ba kami o nagtitripix sa si Adriana eh. Ang dami na nangyayari. Paikot-ikot lang eh. Chat, hello, chat, everyone. Hindi ko mo si Adriana eh. Hello, Radsky.
Paano nangyari yun? Nagbabaan tayo lahat?
Saan, sir?
HP.
Related shoot na ba itong nakaputing damit na ta? Puputa si ugulong na motor net.
Hey, Verm.
May nangahampas?
Oh, ito yun. Ayun, papunta na ng apartment. Pumasok na yung 5 garage. Is pa kayo?
What city yan? Prestige. Hello, Momosti.
May kayo eh?
Wala. Ito ba yung naka-black?
Puting t-shirt.
Puting t-shirt, black. Na
Yan,
body.
yan. Black motor.
Yeah, guys. Heading westbound. San Andreas.
Be advised, I already gave him a warning a while ago.
Ben,
Going
pupunta si
going
ugulong yan.
Going up. Good advance. Good advance.
Maglalakad ako.
Sa upper power. Dinig mo pa ba yung motor niya?
Hindi na. Andiyan bandang arcages na yan.
Yeah, sure. Nandito ako. Sorry.
May ice pa kayo sa motor?
Wala na.
No ice.
High command na yan. I need permission. Pupunta si ugulong nito.
Butasya mo na gulang yan. Kanina pa nangahampas. We have ice. Northbound tower.
20 stars.
Knowing a strat.
We have ice on a stolen Vigero.
Kaming ice sa Bigero. Wala bigla.
Break. Unahin muna natin yung
Bigero, mamaya na siguro.
unahin muna natin yung situation na papaano.
Wala
Yung nakamotor sir, nag-disappear bigla.
Okay. Sige. Ayasan yung 20 ng Bigero.
Bigero, wait ba yan?
Red garage.
White.
Time.
10-4 sa akin.
Meron pa ba? Hindi naman.
Kidnap, nang kikidnap.
Hindi naman.
Sa may La Puerta.
Ito na sa akin. Black
Kailangan,
Figuero.
kailangan mo lang mag-apply.
Figuero yung sa akin.
Gusto mo mag-apply ka? Wala ka bang kaso?
White.
Apply ka.
Figuero,
Si Bendy nga nag-apply.
May officer pala to. May wala nakita yung jeep. Ito yung comes dun sa 20. No one. Figuero na yun.
Sewers, exiting sanitation in front of sanitation.
Southbound siya.
Approaching Maze Bank ata.
No eyes ako.
Nagpumasok siya dito. Sa ano? Dito.
5 garage.
Advance kayo, nagra-rastrat siya dito sa loob. Makita ko. Kaya ba?
Go per back. Go per
Ayan, box na yan.
Tayo agad. Okay, magtangkihan tayo. Tangkihan tayo lahat. Okay, okay na nyo. Magtangkihan tayo.
Ng mga Rex, clean record.
Exiting na siya. Straight sa sewers.
Clean record, tapos ano lang, hierarchy.
Still mobile.
Clean record, tapos medical clearance, medical certificate clearance, medical clearance. Pero wala naman.
Go for pit.
Oh, dito and right, may kayutin sa...
Muna tayo dito bago ako mag-pit. Ano muna bago mag-pit. Seeing northbound sa Puerto Freeway, upper. Tingnan
Papa
U-turn.
U-turn. Off from Scratch, heading eastbound ng La Puerta Freeway.
Yung M-Pit. Naka-group out na tayo.
We can go for P, but unfortunately we cannot catch up to the vehicle.
Opposite travelers, northbound,
Take
going
it.
back at correct lane.
Shit.
Transitioning to Del Perro Freeway.
Get out of the way!
Integrity Way.
Sabi na eh, booking na dapat dito ako dumaan eh.
Little Bighorn, back of PD. Northbound.
Pag inabulin yung upnight.
Bigyan natin isa.
What the fuck?
Come on the place.
Binaril ko na yung nakamotor. Ayaw mo down.
Hayaan mo na yan.
Hindi, na-idean ko naman na. Okay.
Yeah.
Sa Vice pa rin, Bigero.
10-4 still advice here at La Puerta Freeway.
By La Puerta southbound, making a jump.
Jump.
At the sewers.
Firm. Vatican Sewers.
Currently noise.
Sa may Grove Street siya. Grove
Still
Street Sewers.
continuing southeastbound sewers. Long Island.
Long eyes tayo ah. Nandun siya.
Shit!
Exiting at Davies. Now exited. Still long eyes. No eyes right.
Umay.
Status. Busy, busy. Dito si Erling on RTV.
374 RTV.
Super 1 Adam RD.
Ay, HP! HP daw.
Basta, let's go to HP. There's no time.
Tulog dun. Sa trunk. Binabaan namin, biglang nawala eh. Isip.
Wag! Ang naman naririnig na akong bombahan.
Puntahan yung nasa HP, hindi naman namatay.
Punta na HP amin ng RPG dito.
RPG ako.
Sabog cruiser. Wala, di mo na daw niya kahit baril na baril niya.
Yan natin kung makakapasok tayo chat sa server for today's video. Next restart. Yan na. Nagpasok tayo. No. The monkeys on empty. Bilangan. Three 1041. Radio check. Good morning, sir. Morning, sir.
Morning. Atis. 3-1, 3-10-41, Mark Minton 8.
Yeah. Meister. Oh.
Howdy, Charlie.
Howdy, Meister.
What's with your hat? No. I'm not jealous. I'm just, it's not jealous, it's just unfair. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, it is what it is. It's not really like that. Because before kami, napagalitan kami mag-drive ng cruiser, Bravado, yung ganun. Eh,
Then why did
siguro
they say that? Why did they
No.
say it's jealousy for Vigero?
Morning,
No, it's
everyone.
not like that. Ngayon siguro, time change. You know what amin. Tingnan mo mga interns ngayon, nakaka-drive na. Diba? So, I don't know. Si Clinton kasi nag-open up nun eh. I'm just backing up his
Well, I'm jealous
That's
that
what-
you
that's
guys
my
only spent 1 week on intern.
It's just my observation, okay? I'm not jealous.
Okay. You can have Frank if you want.
I'm not buying food.
You want Frank? Let's buy food, please.
I have
You can have it, I can
3
give it to you.
heavy armor on me. I can't run.
Why do you have 3?
I bit 2. I put 1 on the car. No, Sir Frank is occupied already.
Check it out. White along.
You can have it, but I don't mind.
So I will ride along. Is that alright?
Okay, ride along.
I buy food as well.
Sir. Ay,
Uy, ano yan?
sige, wala na pala. Wag na pala, sir.
Sir, huwag kayo... Sino nagpapasok sa inyo dito, sir?
Sir? Nahulog lang ako dito
Okay.
sa hagdan, sir.
Huwag kayong pumasok dito,
Ay,
sir.
bawal
Baka
dito, sir. Sige.
maanon kayo ng trespassing. Okay? Holy shit. Did you hear that?
Which one?
Here, what?
It's gonna rain.
Oh,
Like, where? Here?
Yeah. I hear the wind. And the wind told me it's gonna rain.
oh.
Ano, pustahan tayo. What's yan?
Oh, this is a nice car.
Pwede na ipang ano? Ipang chop-chop. Ay.
Tarantado ka. Ang pinagsasabi mo?
Ay, sorry, sir. I miss craft.
Team
Kung
Town.
you, I stay with Charlie.
Eh, ilan ba ang orderin niya, sir?
Bale, apat na ganun.
Hello,
Apat
sir.
na ganun, apat na tatlo.
Oo. Eh ako, di naman ako diet. Kahit ano ako, kahit mag
Ano yan?
ice cream ako, okay lang.
12.
Bibil ko lang po ah.
Sisimulan na rin ba ako magbuhat o sisimulan muna sa pagbabago ng timbang ko?
Mamaya, pupunta tayo sa gym.
Ayan po, Chief. Gawin ko lang po, Chief.
Sir, ano yan?
Pasabi dun sa isang officer niya yung pangalan nun yung Sean.
Saan?
Pabayad daw sa invoice sa Sean.
Sean?
Sean Gray.
Sean. Sige.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Magbabati ka ba? Lamig kasi, no? Ay, di po kami nag-uusap nun.
Dapat hindi na daw na maaari para ang nakaraan natin maibsan. Ang lahat na sakit na siyang hang nadala. Kahit na sarili ko malinlang. Mga pari na dapat na nga lang na magkasintahan na gumagawa kapag wala na isa dyan maliya. Gusto ko lamang isipin ko niya rin walang mali sa ating dalawa. Masabi sa iba na matatag lang talaga. Kahit katang isip lang hindi yung masama. Kahit sandali na makahawak na kamay ulit ang tulog mo na sa akin ay nagpapasaya. Subalit ano pa ang magagawa sadyang malala. Tapos na napapasya na.
Wala pa sir. 10 triple.
Chief, honors complete. Thank you, Chief.
Ano to, sir? Nabawasan lang yung ng baba sa sobrang kapag.
Ano yun sir?
Ano po na yun, sir?
Landmark.
Hindi, pangalan niya na ano sir, The Weeknd.
Pwede kunin niyo muna yung vest. I want ticket. Saglit.
Ha?
Hindi, yung vest. Ayan, get 3 each.
Yay.
Uy, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, thank you.
Tapos, pabalik na lang yung vest.
Ay, sir. Thank you, sir. Bal.
Walang tao. Kulay red din kasi yung suotan po. May patrol ba kayo?
Meron, may
Yes,
Meerkat Cafe.
Mine is in Town Hall.
Pusin ko lang to akin. Feeling ko wala akong maintenance. What the?
313 at squad. Responding to an active 911 call at Buccaneer Way. Responding call 3 high.
Aga.
Major to Lincoln. Responding.
Asan banda? Oh. Sa left side ako.
He's in the very left.
Motor.
313 10 to 3 at 911 Buccaneer. You have a visual of a motorbike, dirt bike to be exact. Need MCU.
Kita
Sir,
mo
asan
yung
yung
isa?
kasama mo?
Hindi.
No, I can only see one.
Kasama sir? Only one?
Sir, sumabog ba yung kasama mo? No.
Na-stuck sa container chip. Wait.
Ayun na.
What's 20?
Latest 911 call is ng ating AT Vector here at Buccaneer Way. We have a visual of 2 suspects with a dirt bike.
Guys, I'm gonna kasama.
Requesting MC.
Can someone advance to the bridge strat here? Possible they will be doing scratch on that.
Secondary taking comms, continuing northbound on Popular Street.
Switch to.
20 now.
Vehicle made a left on another left. Southbound Popular. I'll be advancing. Skip ice primary.
We're still here in alleyways. We don't.
Guys,
They made a U-turn scratch. They're here under. They went to the side of the alleyway. They're
Teka siya.
currently stuck on R20, but we're also stuck.
Yep, I.
10-4.
Can you follow MD?
They're heading
They're
down
going
to
to the
the
canal.
sewers.
341 will be connecting.
Yeah, we're stuck.
Hindi nakakit. Hindi nakakit yung ano.
The worst possible exit niyan sa may ano, Morieta.
I advise. Continuing
Lupin pala.
northbound on Popular. Under Popular.
Nice.
So continuing on the train tracks. Parallel to Popular.
Tanda.
Televised, continuing northbound. Made the right.
Ito ba?
Coming out on Popular now.
Ah.
Yes.
Left.
No.
No, behind, going pizzeria.
Anong ginagawa nun?
I think he was trying to get out of the sewer situation.
We were following a guy.
already,
We were following a guy earlier also who did the same thing. Like,
Then go, let's see.
same alleyway into
Yun na right.
sewers.
PDM?
Oh, they're going to PDM, impound sa...
Vehicle made the right to Olympic Freeway, west.
Tatawid to tatawid to. So, nalaglag sila.
Okay, sure.
Umebab pa yung handling na to, hindi.
Not sure yet.
Hindi ako ayos for now. Wala pa. Sakto siya sa butas.
No eyes.
Ay.
Conducting code 6.
Naman. Yung motor na yan.
Yung iba yung handling. Di pa.
This deputy was asking us the same thing earlier, but then we still couldn't turn the revolver.
Yeah, still the same. Hit pa rin oh. Potang ano mo.
Yeah.
To code 4 in the latest number 1 Buccaneer Way.
Saktong road pala baksak nila. Sir Nilo.
Okay, sure.
Possible nag-push ng code 4.
Okay, sure. Code 4 in the latest 911.
No, loko chat. Sorry, hindi ako masyado interactive. Wala ko lang mag-duty kasi baka intern pa lang ako. Kahit ng ulo ko.
Trying to strike a chord and it's probably a minor.
Kasi nag-basketball kami kahapon. If naka-follow kayo sa akin, champion kami. Eh yung pinaglaro namin,
Wala palang patrol.
saradong close area. Sobrang init. Eh umulan nga pero hindi pumapasok yung hangin or wala ring lumalabas. Sobrang sakit sa ulo. Siyempre nagkaroon pa kami
That's
after
the number
party.
one
Tapos
thing that
umulan pa.
stuck to me from you, Meister.
It's very important.
I never sign in anymore without taking a patrol also.
Yeah. Very important. Once you sign in, you get patrol. Wala na akong pakialam kung hindi ako kukuha ng patrol ulit. But that's the first thing. Get patrol. Drive.
Me. Sir.
Hello, Chief.
Just pull over
Hello.
here, right?
Yeah, for sure, but can I?
He pulled over, inalaki pagka.
Hello, sir? Hello, sir? Can you pull over here on the curb?
Baka mag-cause ng traffic dyan, Chip. Ayaw mo doon?
Go forward a bit.
Marunong ka mag-traffic stop dun, Pabs?
Oh, I can try. Yes.
370 squad.
You can go.
Kawasaki
Sige, try.
1038.
Please turn off
Clear
your
at
engine,
eastbound.
roll down your window.
Uti Boulevard. Vehicle description, gray colored sunrise. 1 times occupied. No 78 needed.
That's not sunrise.
Good evening, sir.
Chip, good evening.
Do you know the
Ginagawa
reason
na.
why? Sorry. Yeah, it's good morning. Because I was in the vehicle. Anyways, good morning, sir. Do you know the reason why we pulled you over?
Yes, yes.
Oh,
Overspeeding, sir. Tsaka ano.
You won't read
pagligo
to that,
ko, ayun.
Pops. I-admit it
Nagmamadali kasi ako, Chip. Baka ma-pull over ako yung kotse ko. Tiyan mo, sira-sira. Kapit
If,
akong his eh.
sir, can I just have your driver's license, please?
Of course. Ayan.
399 to dispatch need 27 to Don Bastardo. So do you have is this your vehicle, sir?
Yes, this is my vehicle.
Okay, do you have your vehicle registration, sir?
Of course.
Can I see it too as well?
Currently has 1 warning for overspeeding.
If
And Chip. Kaso po ni Tata, pag alon napunit eh.
Okay, just a moment. 399 to 313. Currently his registration is what you call this? Is ripped to pieces.
Tell him he needs to get a new one.
If sir, I'm sorry, but
06, mark me.
if you don't have a
27
current
for
vehicle
paperwork,
registration, I do not know if this is registered to you. But right now, I would have to issue you a ticket. Is that all right?
Ticket, okay lang naman, Chip. Sige, tikitan mo na lang ako, Chip.
Okay.
Pero kung i-impound mo to, Chip, pwede mo naman check yung plate number. Check mo kung ano yung nakapangalan.
Oh, just a moment. Di ba naman stand na lang.
Check mo na ba, Chip?
Sir,
Check mo na lang.
can I see your license please again? Sorry.
And Chip.
Thank you very much. Yes, I will be checking it. Vehicle. Ito. Reckless. Joke lang. Hindi reckless driving eh.
They're responding to the latest 911 call apartment.
Okay na, Chip. Hello, Chip.
Oh, I will.
Still there?
Yes. I will just issue the invoice to you. Okay. Just a moment, sir. Just a moment.
3062.
Sir, he doesn't have a vehicle registration, right? And I'll just be issuing him a ticket. Is the vehicle not being impounded?
Get a possible abduction stand.
Yes, but the vehicle, I don't need to impound it, correct?
Got an active possible hostage taking heading west on San Andreas.
Fortunately, he doesn't have a vehicle registration.
Brown color
Tell him,
Sunriser.
tell him you're gonna ticket
Pushing
him
northbound,
and you're not gonna
Los
impound it,
Lagunas,
but the next
Eglinton
time that
Parkway.
any of the officers use that car and you don't have a vehicle registration, impound na
Copy.
times 2.
Heading west, Carcer Way. Hostage taking.
Okay, okay. Thank you, ma'am. Okay. Okay, sir. I'm sorry.
Okay na, Chief?
Okay, sir. You take care, sir. But this time, the next
Evangelico,
time we
Evangelico.
do a traffic stop with your vehicle, this will be impounded. Okay, sir?
Okay, Chief.
Just be sending you the ticket, okay?
Okay, Chief.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Take
Thank you,
safe.
thank you.
You stay.
What do you call this car? Looks like a Sunriser, but
There's Angelico
it's
ba?
not.
We need to we need to speed. Mabigat yung rabada pag marami.
Wait, is there Angelico?
I think
Yeah.
yes.
For suspect.
Let me go
Although-
RTB first.
I can't find the report.
3780 squad, show us RTB.
Copy. We need the HSU if possible.
Go sir, ano?
Oo nga, ano yung sirang car? Diyan ka ba, Peds?
I think pag ano lang ako. Pwede ba mag-Lincoln?
Din eh, operational vehicle.
Secured hostage.
Considered bang
Are you...
reckless drive? Yun.
Random
Sige,
kasi
oo nga
ba?
pala.
Hindi, huwag na
Hit
natin
up na
lagyan.
lang tayo doon.
Sige sir.
Tago ko lang to to San.
Sabi sir.
Sabi niya yung ano eh.
Oh no.
Charlie, tama ka ba? Or Adam made ano, Charlie Romeo.
Wait sir. May check pala. May check pala.
Ano mo nga ano?
Ay, wait sir. Yes, kasi...
Hindi ah,
Jacob. May iasa lang ako.
Hindi.
Iwan ako dito sir.
Confusion within 7, emergency. I'll be back. 5 mics. Transfer to
At ganoon.
Sergeant Lorenzo.
Di
Can you
siya
take over
lasing.
the Evangelico?
Ayan. Device. Non-functional vehicle. Yun.
313 Adam responding to an active
Yata yun eh, no?
Evangelico.
Maintain lane.
345, I got the information. Those suspects came from the barrio and the female name
Lasan na lang.
Wayne. Again, I got the information from the other people. They came from the barrio and the female name is the Angel Wayne.
Ito ang
345 taking negotiation.
This is Charlie Trayben. Ito muna. Isip ko muna to. Ay, ano muna pala? 1,000. So I just buy food. Oh, I have food. I just buy my phone. Sorry. So, phone.
Show me 1041.
345 will be needing 2 shops at the San Evangelico.
328 Adam will be providing 76. 78. Give us 2 mics. We're just gonna get some.
Ito, Charlie Draven. Yamazaki, 370 Yamazaki.
Gago, may run away bride.
328 to 345.
Don't hurt your hustlers for me. Thank you, ma'am.
Nasasakal na ako, Chip.
Hindi ko sasaktan.
If you're talking, ma'am, can you louder your voice? Thank you.
Hello. Huwag ka masyadong malapit. Lumayo ka, lumayo ka.
Chip, tulungan mo ko, Chip.
Lumayo ka.
Ilang ingay mo?
Dito nga tayo.
mo, nasasakal nga ako eh. Bobo ka ba?
Aba, tulungan na ito ah.
1090. Do you still need
Hindi lang.
78? 10-4. We need one more shop.
Excuse me, Chip. Come again.
328 Adam
my name is
762
Marco.
Angelico.
Yeah, I do have.
Vehicle. Tawag dito? Ang tawag yun? When a vehicle slammed on their cruiser.
need pa ng ano dyan? Ng isang bigero?
Negative, mabagalan.
Driver was pulled over,
This will be
and Officer Don Pablo did
Standby ka na ng bigero.
traffic stop.
To Lincoln Connect.
And a ticket
345 responding.
given to Mr.
Officers from the Evangelical change frequency 1.1.
Chip, ano na? Matagal pa ba yan, Chip? Kawawa naman ako dito.
Ay, meron nga palang plus. Oh no, nalimutan ko. Naman na. Ay, nalimutan ko. Lagi na may plus. Ay, announcement.
Ano
Lagi...
na yun ah.
Ay, felonies lang pala.
Chip, matagal pa ba yan, Chip? Tulungan niyo naman ako, Chip. Hey, officer. Okay.
Chip, minamadali kayo ng hostage. Kanina pa yan. Bars.
Bobo ka eh. Masakit.
Ikaw ang bobo, tangina mo.
Hanap sa boses, medyo maplema.
So, barilin ko to. Di mo to pa.
First of all, Mr. Hostage,
Sorry.
you have to listen to them first. We can't help you if you don't help yourself.
Yes.
Fuck you! Ano na yan, oh? May ganyan palang ano, damit dito. Lapit ah.
Everyone needs to be calm. There's a gun pointed at your head.
Pag ako na,
Yep.
gulat mo. Sabog
Go Charlie.
Uy. Putay na, alulats pa tong hype na to. MG mo na.
Radio check.
Break. Ang dami yun ng shops dito pala, oh. 5 na kayo.
How many are you guys here?
K2 to Lincoln disconnecting.
Not including the hostage?
No. Nasa taas yung isa. Bababa na.
Mag-ensim na ako guys. Sakit ang ulo ko talaga. Cheese chat. Sorry sa mga masisira ang watch trick kung di kayo nakadaan. Fortunately, I have to. Wala pa pala akong Axon.
Ang ina mo. Nawala. Gago. Wala siya.
Yan, kabado ka naman eh.
Hey!
Yeah, can I move my car? No. Yes.
Chip, with the
Just move your little.
the touch from the tenant
No?
Evangelical.
Cheese chat. All the love. Pasensya nyo na.
Thank you, Miss Officer.